Hello students, welcome to another lecture of physics. This is standard 8 numerical. तो यूनिट्स एंड मेजरमेंट में जो न्यूमेरिकल है वो मैं यहाँ पे कराने वाला हूँ. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Solid block weighs 20 kg. Its volume is found to be 4000 cubic centimeter. Find its density in gram per cubic centimeter and kg per meter cube. So things that is given. First, mass of solid. Which is equal to 20 kg. Second, volume of the solid. That is Vs, that is equal to 4000 cubic centimeter. I need to find density in gram per cubic centimeter and kg per meter cube. So first of all, mass of solid is given in kg. Can I convert into gram? Just multiply by 1000. So this is 20,000 gram. So your density is equal to mass upon volume. So mass is 20,000 gram divided by 4000 cubic centimeter. So this will get cancelled. So this would be 5. So this is 5 gram per cubic centimeter. Right? Now if I need to convert into kg per meter cube, what you can do is you can convert this. So this 1 gram can be written as 1 by 1000 kg, whereas 1 cubic centimeter, try to understand, 1 cubic centimeter can be written as 1 by 100 into 100 into 100 meter cube. I think I have explained you this. Why? Because you have to convert. See, there are 3 times cubic centimeter, right? जैसे कि मैं कहूँ कि अगर मैं 1 सेंटीमीटर है, 1 सेंटीमीटर है और 1 सेंटीमीटर है, तो सभी को मुझे मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. इसीलिए मैंने 3 बार इसको डिवाइड किया 100 से, राइट? एंड दैट इज द रीजन आई विल राइट हियर 1 by 100 to 1 by 100 to 1 by 100. So if I cancel this, these two will get cancelled and this will get cancelled. So this will move up. So this will turns out to be how much? 5000 kg per meter cube. This is the correct answer. 5000 kg per meter cube. Let's move to second question. So what are the things that is given? Calculate the volume of copper of mass 2000 kg when its density is given. Right? Density is given as 8.4 gram per cubic centimeter. Right? So what is given? Mass of copper, which is M of C, is given 2000 kg, and density that is rho is given, या फिर मैं D लिख सकता हूँ उसको, density is given 8.4 gram per cubic centimeter. 8.4 gram per cubic centimeter. Right? You need to find volume. वॉल्यूम फाइंड करना है आपको. देखो ये ग्राम पर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर है, ये केजी में, तो आइदर यू कैन कन्वर्ट इनटू ग्राम or you can convert this into kg per meter cube. So if I multiply by 1000 here, so this would be 8400 kg per meter cube, right? So I know density is equal to mass upon volume. Therefore, volume is equal to mass upon डेंसिटी. तो इस केस में देखो क्या है आपका मास क्या है, टू 2000 kg एंड डेंसिटी क्या है 8400, right? Sorry, 8400. So if I cancel these two, this is meter cube. So this is 10, this is 42. अब इसको आप कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो, पॉइंट में आंसर आएगा मीटर क्यूब, राइट? यू जस्ट कैलकुलेट एंड गेट इट आंसर इन मीटर क्यूब. अगर आपको सेंटीमीटर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर में करना है तो मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 इंटू 100 करोगे तो क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर में आ जाएगा आपका, राइट? इट इज दैट सिंपल, देयर इज नथिंग ग्रेट अबाउट इट. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन डेंसिटी बॉटल. डेंसिटी बॉटल के बेस पे ये क्वेश्चन है. ठीक है. अगर डेंसिटी बॉटल कंसेप्ट अगर आपको पता है तो आप ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो. अगर नहीं पता है तो प्रीवियस वीडियोस आप जरूर देखें. डेंसिटी बॉटल का कंसेप्ट मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझाया है. गिवन कैन वेट्स 15 ग्राम व्हेन एम्प्टी. सो mass of an empty can, let me write as m1, and that is equal to 15 gram. Okay, there was an issue, just wait. So over here, so mass of an empty can is m1, which is 15 gram. Then mass of a can filled with water, mass of a can filled with water, that is m2, and that is equal to 75 gram. Then mass of can filled with glycerine, mass of can filled with glycerine, that is equal to 76.8 gram. 76.8 gram, right? So we need to find what is density. So if you have understood, this is m3. If you have understood density bottle, you will be able to do it very easily. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो डेंसिटी बॉटल का कंसेप्ट प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने समझाया है, प्लीज गो थ्रू इट, बिकॉज बहुत बार क्वेश्चन ये आएगा. ठीक है, डेंसिटी बॉटल वाला. सो हियर सिंपली density of glycerine would be equal to m3 minus m1 upon m2 minus m1, that is equal to m3 is 76.8 minus 15 divided by 75 minus 15. So कितना हो जाएगा ये, that is 61.8 divided by 60. So this is 618 divided by 600. So this is 100. तो कितना हो गया ये 1.03 gram per cubic centimeter. So 1.03 gram per cubic centimeter is your answer. 1.03 gram per cubic centimeter is your answer. I hope this is clear, right? Let's move to next question. Again, this is not like a density bottle. ठीक है. Calculate the density of solid from the following data. Mass of a solid is 80 gram. Initial volume of water in a measuring cylinder is 25 cubic centimeter. Well, actually, this is not final volume. This is final volume of water when the solid is immersed in the water. So this is final volume. Is 35 cubic centimeter, right? So what are the things that is given? You just check. So this is mass of solid, which is m of s, and that is equal to 80 gram. Mass of solid is 80 gram. Then initial volume of water in measuring cylinder. So yeah, I'll write here initial volume that is VI is equal to 25 cubic centimeter. 25 cubic centimeter. Final volume that is VF, and that is equal to 35 cubic centimeter. Final volume is 35 cubic centimeter, right? तो ये आपको पता होगा कि भाई ये आपको मान लो कि मेजरिंग जार है, तो पहले इसके अंदर पानी है, तो पहले इसका जो मेजरमेंट था वो 25 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर था. अब यहाँ पे आपने एक ऑब्जेक्ट को इमर्स किया सच दैट इट्स लेवल चेंज टू 35 सेंटीमीटर, 35 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. तो जितना ये चेंज होगा उतना ही इस ऑब्जेक्ट का वॉल्यूम होगा. जितना ये ऊपर जाएगा उतना ही इस ऑब्जेक्ट का वॉल्यूम होगा. तो आपको वॉल्यूम मिल जाएगा. मास तो ऑलरेडी है. यू कैन फाइंड डेंसिटी. सो डेंसिटी हियर would be equal to mass upon change in volume. So this is V final minus V initial. So this is 80 divided by 35 10. So this is 8 gram per cubic centimeter. This is 8 gram per cubic centimeter is the answer. This is 8 gram per cubic centimeter. Let's move to fifth question. Again, this is based on density bottle, so you have to, look at it. So what are the things that is given? An empty density bottle weighs 25 grams. So mass of an empty bottle which is M1, and that is equal to 25 gram. ठीक है. When completely filled with water, it weighs 55 grams. So mass of bottle filled with water. Mass of an bottle filled with water, that is equal to 55 gram. ठीक है. So and when completely filled with liquid, how much? Mass of an bottle filled with liquid, that is equal to 52 gram. That is equal to 52 gram. Calculate the volume of density. Calculate the volume of density bottle. देखो एक चीज पता है आपको कि density of water, you know one thing, density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. इसका मतलब क्या है? 1 gram per cubic centimeter का मतलब क्या है? कि जितना वाटर का मास होगा उतना ही उसका वॉल्यूम होगा, राइट? 50 ग्राम वाटर को 50 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर लगता है, तो ही इसका डेंसिटी 1 ग्राम पर क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर होगा ना. जितना उसका मास होगा उतना ही उसका वॉल्यूम होगा. अब इस केस में देखो, एम्प्टी बॉटल 25 ग्राम है, फिल्ड विथ वाटर 55 ग्राम है, तो व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ वाटर? 55 minus 25, 55 minus 25 which is 30, and that is only the volume of the water, which is equal to the volume of the density bottle, right? So simply यहाँ पे मैं लिख दूंगा volume of density bottle would be equal to m2 minus m1, that is equal to 55 minus 25, which is equal to 30 cubic centimeter. अब सब बोलोगे ये ग्राम है, आपने क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर क्यों किया? बिकॉज आई थिंक आई हैव एक्सप्लेन यू दिस इन द डेंसिटी बॉटल लेक्चर, उसको वापस आप देखना. जितना मास होगा उतना उसका वॉल्यूम होगा, तो 30 ग्राम तो उसी 30 क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर ही उसका वॉल्यूम होगा ना, राइट? I think I have made it clear in the density bottle. Please visit that lecture and get it solved. Okay. Now, what is the density of liquid? So density of liquid is equal to m3 minus m1 upon m2 minus m1. What is m3? 52 minus 25 upon 55 minus 25. So this is 27 upon 30, which is equal to 0.9 gram per cubic centimeter. I hope this is clear. Okay, we'll keep this much only. ठीक है, आप अच्छी तरीके से इसको solve करें, ठीक है, and try to read as much as possible. In next lecture we are going to solve another 5 questions and plus the objectives and question answers. Please take care. Bye bye.